Welcome to a new video. Today, I'm going to show you how to propagate a rose bush using the air layering technique so you can grow new roses from an existing plant. Here are the materials we're going to use. A bit of potting soil, a pinch of cinnamon, a small plastic cup, and a cutter or sharp knife to make the incision. Let us know if you'll try this at home. Watch until the end, we show the results. Let's begin. First, we choose a healthy branch and remove the thorns to make it easier to work with. We'll make a horizontal cut in the branch. Not too deep, just enough to scrape off the green layer of bark. Take your time with this step. Rose stems are delicate, and if you rush, they might break. Don't forget to hit the like button if you're enjoying the video, it really helps us keep creating more content like this. We gently peel the green layer until we expose the white inner layer. Once that's done, we sprinkle a bit of cinnamon over the exposed area. Cinnamon helps prevent infections and stimulates root growth, but if you don't have it, it's okay. It still works without it. Now we prepare the potting mix. Add a bit of water to moisten it. It should be damp, not soaking wet. We then place the mix inside a plastic cup and wrap it around the cut we made. You can also use a plastic bag if you prefer, we've done it both ways. In this example, we're showing you how it works using a cup. We secure everything in place with a clip or tie so it doesn't move, and leave it like that for a few months. Root development usually starts after the first month, but I recommend waiting at least 3 months before removing the cup and transplanting. For example, the one we're about to remove today was done in December, and we're now in March, that's just about the right time. Now, here's the one we prepared a few months ago using a plastic bag. We used a clear bag and covered it with aluminum foil to block the light, that's very important. You can also use a black trash bag or anything opaque. Let's remove it carefully. We untie the bag and reveal a good amount of roots, it's ready for planting. We're going to transplant it directly into the soil, but you could also use a pot if you prefer. We make a deep hole to ensure all the roots are covered and stable. Then we gently fill the hole with soil, covering the entire base of the new rose plant. Now we give it a good watering to help it settle into its new home. This step is really important, don't skip it. And that's it. Here's how the plant looks after just 2 weeks, healthy, strong, and already putting out new leaves. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the other tutorials on the channel. See you in the next one.